Hi, I'm Bill Cunningham. I'm the Director of Operations here at LearningFuze, and I wanted to address a question that we often get from students that are interested in coming to the program, which is how are students able to be successful at the end of the program, and how are they so successful in the job search process? And we answer that by talking about the different areas that we focus. We affectionately call it the Triad. The first area, which is obviously the most important, and is central to everything we do here, of course, which is why students come to LearningFuze, is we focus on those technologies or languages that are most in demand in the marketplace, and we focus very deeply in those technologies. So students are able to learn anything they need to once in the job, and they're able to represent themselves really well during the job search process because of that depth of knowledge. So the first thing is really around the technologies and the languages, and we built this curriculum not alone, not in a vacuum, but in concert with the employers that we collaborate with who have been very forthcoming over the course of the last 6 years in helping us understand what we need to teach, how we need to teach it so that these students are very marketable at the end and they're the kind of professional developers that employers want to hire. That's the first thing. It's really around the technologies and the languages and how we teach it. The second thing, which really isn't focused a lot in the marketplace, is around the soft skills and interviewing skills. So the career services that we have here at LearningFuze, we spend a fair amount of time during the course of the program doing mock interviews and a whole myriad of other things for students to practice and hone their skills and be able to talk technically about what they've built and the applications that they build and all of those things to best represent themselves in the marketplace. The students have different opportunities to do this through the job fairs that we do. We bring employers on site here at the facility. They get the chance to talk to the employers. They go to meetups where we've collaborated with different meetups and conferences and all different kinds of things. So students have a lot of opportunity to be able to practice those soft skills, which is a significant part of the equation, not only in this industry, but any industry for that matter. The third thing that we do, which is a little bit unique, is that we've created an environment here that is in concert with the students, really, that's compassionate, caring, and supportive. Now, for anybody that's learned anything new and potentially difficult, you really want to have an environment where you feel that you can learn and make mistakes to accelerate that learning, and that the instructors, which we have here, that have experience in the marketplace, are there to support them in doing that. All the instructors have been through the same process as the students, of course, and on top of it, these are the type of developers that like to teach. They like to see the light bulb go off in other people. So we've created this environment, almost familial in nature, where the students really feel like they can be successful and really accelerate their learning. So it's really those three particular areas that we focus on, and that's really the reason why the students, one, love to come here, and one, why they've been so successful. With that, we're happy to help anybody that's interested in web development, point you in the right direction, help you any way we can, or if you're interested in LearningFuze, we're happy to help you understand how to enter the program.